Tired of slow growth on TikTok? Most creators are not doing this single powerful growth hack that we need to pay more attention to if you want to grow on this platform and on social media in general. So if you want to grow your account, you want to grow your audience, you want to have highly engaged communities on social media, the one thing that you should be doing right now and not neglecting every time you post is engagement. You spend 10 minutes before you post engaging with other creators, other accounts on the platform, giving constructive and informative and positive criticism on their comment sections. You want to use the app for what the creators intended it to be used for, which is to be social. So you show the algorithms that you use the platform for what they want it to be used for, and they will push your account. Now, I'm not saying there are not other things that you should be paying attention to in digital marketing or in online business or whatever it is you're on the platform for. It is a skill set. It does take time, and it is a process. Engagement is the key. I spend literally an hour a day, 10 minutes before and then 50 minutes after on the platform, because I don't just post and then hop off. That's the worst thing you can do. So if you want to learn about the skill set of digital marketing or how to succeed online and grow your presence and grow your community to a highly engaged audience that follows you and not necessarily whatever product, business, or service that you promote, on post notifications so you know when I go live and I post a video. If you want to work with me directly, just type ready and I'll be glad to share with you